And if one winter storm wasn't enough, another is bringing snow and ice to the central U.S. later this week. Why is this happening, you might ask? Well, look right there. We have this big dip in the jet stream. It's going to be ejecting to the east. And what's happening is that we are going to have areas of moisture, so warm, humid air getting pulled from the Gulf of Mexico. And then we counteract that with the fresh, cold Arctic air surging down to the south. So we have that collision of those two air masses. And then that low pressure is going to slide to the northeast. So setting the stage for another winter storm. And it's not just the winter component to this system that we're watching closely. We're also watching the risk for severe weather once again for portions of the mid-south and the southeast. So heavy rain and embedded thunderstorms to the south. Then we see that area of pink. So more ice, more winter weather, and then that transitions all the way over to some moderate to heavy snowfall for portions of the Midwest stretching into the Great Lakes region. So we're watching this area very closely. But here's Wednesday's forecast. Temperatures are going to be in the 50s and 60s out ahead, and then behind we'll see those temperatures tumbling down into the 20s and 30s. Fayetteville, Arkansas, all the way over to Oklahoma City. You folks will be getting in on that mixing zone and that freezing rain, sleet, and then portions of Missouri stretching into the mid-south. Well, that's where we're really watching for the heaviest amount of snow to set up.
I'm Amy Freeze. Welcome to Fox Weather's YouTube page. We have more great videos on the way, so make sure to subscribe to stay updated on all things weather.